Subtract 0.75 from 2.5 using long subtraction. Line up the decimal points in the same column. Add placeholder zeros so both numbers have the same number of decimal places.
Now subtract from right to left, one column at a time.
In the hundredths column, 0 is less than 5, so we need to borrow. Borrow 1 from the tenths column. 5 becomes 4. The 0 in the hundredths column becomes 10. In the hundredths column, 10 minus 5 is 5. In the tenths column, 4 is less than 7, so we need to borrow. Borrow 1 from the ones column. 2 becomes 1. The 4 in the tenths column becomes 14. In the tenths column, 14 minus 7 is 7. In the ones column, 1 minus 0 is 1. Bring the decimal point straight down into the answer. The final result is 1.75.